Good morning. My name is Madam Jane Kahugi. I'm going to take you through the topic stages of land preparation. And the first stage is land clearing. Land clearing involves removal of vegetative cover from the surface before the land is tilled. It is necessary when opening a virgin land or when the land has been left fallow for a long period of time, or when removing stalks from the previous crops. Let's say like maize. After the maize has been removed, we are left with the maize stalks. So removing the maize stalks, that is part of land clearing. So it also may include tree felling, use of chemicals, and also burning or slashing using pangas, slashers. Although burning is discouraged because a lot of organic matter is lost and soil microorganisms as well as plant nutrients are killed. Another stage of land preparation is primary cultivation. This is the initial opening of land. After the land clearing, then we go to primary cultivation. This is done to remove the weeds and incorporate organic matter. It is also important since it exposes the pests and diseases causing microorganisms to the sun, and it improves soil aeration. It also allows easy planting. This primary cultivation includes hand digging, where simple tools are used like jembes, hoes. Then it may also include mechanical cultivation, where moldboard plow and ox plow are used. Cultivation should be done before the onset of the rain in order to give weeds and other vegetative plants time to dry and decompose into organic manure. Allow carbon dioxide and other gases to diffuse out of the soil and be replaced by oxygen, necessary for germination and microbial activities. It also allows time for subsequent operations before planting. The choice for primary cultivation, it depends on the condition of the land, the type of tilled, and then there is the depth of cultivation. The depth of the cultivation sometimes is determined by the size of the seeds, whether the seeds are small or large. For the big size of seeds, it is a deeper cultivation. The depth is a bit deep compared to the small seeds, which should be a bit shallow. Then we go to secondary cultivation, which is the third stage of land preparation. In this stage, seedbeds refinement practices that follow primary tillage before planting process. Reasons for secondary cultivation is to remove weeds that have germinated after the primary cultivation. After the primary cultivation, the land is left for some time. So in that period, there are weeds that have grown. It also, in primary cultivation, it helps in breaking soil clods into smaller pieces for easy planting, and also to remove land to level land to achieve uniform depth for planting. And also, it helps to incorporate organic matter into the soil. The number of harrowing is an activity done in the secondary cultivation. The number of harrowing depends on size of planting materials, the slope of the land, and moisture content of the land. In the slope of the land, if the land is a bit steep, the harrowing should be fewer. The number of times that the harrowing is done should be fewer, so that there will be no soil erosion, to discourage soil erosion. So another condition that determines the number of farrowing is the condition of the land after primary cultivation. Then the fourth stage of land preparation is tertiary cultivation. Operations carried out to suit production of a certain crop. They include ridging. Ridging is the process of digging soil in a continuous size and heaping it on one side. Heaping it on one side to form a ridge and a furrow, suitable for root crops like Irish potatoes. Ridges are used to allow for expansion of tubers, and then they allow for easy harvest, and also they conserve soil moisture. Then another activity carried out in tertiary cultivation is rolling. In rolling, it is carried out in small seeded crops. Wheat, to prevent seeds from being carried away by weeds and increase seed soil contact. Then we have another activity, which is revoring. Revoring, soil surface made flat and uniform to prevent easy germination of small seeded crops and facilitate uniform germination. Then we have subsoiling. Subsoiling, breaking subsoil that might be a result of use of heavy machinery. It helps in breaking hard pans formed after land preparation. It also helps in soil aeration. That's the end of our topic today. Have a good day.